Hi, welcome. We're going to be looking at solving this equation in order to figure out which is the correct answer. Looking at this equation here, we're going to go ahead and rewrite it first out of the way so that we can work with it. When we're looking at an equation, we have to remember that our goal is to get the variable alone, isolated, all by itself on one side of the equation. I notice that my variables are these letters, the K's, and I have more than one of them and they appear on both sides of the equation. I see parentheses with no operation right here, which means we've got some sort of multiplication happening. So I'm going to take a moment and go ahead and distribute to get rid of these parentheses. K minus 24 plus 20K. Now that I've done my distribution, it's going to be time to to collect like terms. So I'm going to look on each side of the equation to collect my like terms. There are my like terms. Negative 4K plus 9K leaves me with 5K. I'm not going to change anything else about that part of the equation. On this other side, I'm going to take 8K. and I'm going to add to it 20K for 28K. Again, I'm not going to change the rest of my equation. Now from here I need to start getting the K by itself, I need to get the K to one side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from one side so that it disappears from there and appears on the other. I'm going to target this one because its coefficient, this number in front of the variable, is smaller than the one on this side. So negative 5K, and I'm going to subtract 5K over there. This is going to give me negative 24 on this side, 23K on this side, and the rest of my equation remains unchanged. Needing to get rid of this subtraction by 24 in order to get to the K, I'm going to do the inverse, the opposite of the operation. I'm going to add 24 to both sides. That means on the left I have 0 because negative 24 plus 24 is 0. And on the right hand side I still have 23K. Between the 23 and the K is a little multiplication that you don't see, and so to undo multiplication I'm going to use its inverse, its opposite, that is division. 0 divided by anything, any number in the world, in this case 23, is 0, and that's going to leave me with K on the right hand side. And so our correct answer choice for this particular item is going to be letter A, the solution set of 0.